this is Prerna and I'm here to show you my purchase from Amazon and Flipkart sale. So this is a part third video of this series and you can check part 1 and part 2 on my channel. It's already up. So we total purchased almost 40 books and few of the books which we already unboxed. I believe in part 1 we unboxed 16 books and in part 2 we unboxed 12 books. So remaining books are here. This packet is not a book related, but still I'll show you what's inside, and few books actually in these boxes have been like mixed up with the book which I exchange or replace. Okay, let's start unboxing. I'll quickly start opening these packet and you can see what inside. So these are like I purchased 40 books on a good discount and good offer, so you can also see which book I purchased and at what cost. Okay, so this is the first book in this unboxing series, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. You can see the packaging is good. MRP of this book is $5.99 and I purchased it for $187, so it's a steal deal. Actually it's a steal deal, good discount. I purchased this book on like $187. It's a very nice book if the quality of the book is also good. So let's see how's the quality and then we can decide whether it's a good discount or not. Okay, so quality of the book is good. I wouldn't say it's amazing like the other book. Seems like it's, yeah, but it seems like a like original copy. So yeah, it's a good book. So I'll be keeping this book with me and soon I can read this book. Let me know if you want me to like start reviewing any of the book first, so you can just comment it down and I'll review it first for you guys. Okay, this box contain a lot of book, so yeah, let's see what I receive. Oh my god. Okay, so the first book is, you can see it's already double wrap. It's a plastic wrapping and the book is 1,000 Splendid Sun. Oh my god, see what happened with this book. I'm not sure. I just hope the exchange or replacement date is still available because I'm late in unboxing these books. In first or second part, like rarely I received any defective book like this. The book were bit of dirty and I already exchanged those books, so I'll show you those book also which I exchanged, but this one I'm definitely not going to keep, not at all, because it's a bit damaged. And the second one is The Intelligent Investor. So this book I was keeping eye since a very long time, even in the sale also. In the first day I missed this book on a good price, but like on last day or second last day again the price came down and I thought I'll purchase it now. So that's the reason I purchased this particular book, because normally the price of this book is quite high. MRP is $7.99 and I purchased this book in 326 rupees, so it's more than like it's quite more than 50%, almost 55 or 60%. And this book I forget to tell you the price. So this book I purchased for $5.99 and MRP is $5.99 and I purchased this book in $158. Okay, it was a good deal, but yes, you can see that I'm not satisfied with the quality. So the next book in this box is the one my favorite. I want to read it quite soon. Maybe you can see this review a bit earlier than the rest of the book, and the book is You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay. I never read this author, and I never saw any recommendation of this author also. If you have seen the recommendation, do let me know please. I would like to know. Yes, the book quality is, again, I'm quite surprised that the Amazon and Flipkart is sending original copy in this particular sale, because the prices are too low actually. So the MRP is 499 and I purchased it for 219, more than 50%, and trust me, the book price is not reducing at all, this one. So this is our next book. Yeah, so this box I received open, actually literally open box I received. So I just hope the quality and the book is not damaged. So I'll show you what inside. The book is You Can Win by Shiv Khera. So this book, like, I just added this book because of the discount, like there were a huge discount, so that's the reason why I purchased this book. I'm not sure whether when I'm going to read this particular one. Just let me just see the price. MRP is 450 and the price of this book, like the amount at which I purchased, bill is not inside the box, so I'll mention it in somewhere. Yeah, I'll mention it in the video itself. So at which price I purchased it from Flipkart. So let's just check. Packaging is good, quite sturdy, so the book is not damaged at all. I received, yeah, it's a bit of damage, but it's fine. I can manage that quality, and the quality is good. So yeah, You Can Win, a step-by-step tool for top achievers. So it's kind of motivational and self-help book which I want to read. So do let me know if you already read. And this one is my favorite, The Greatest Secret. So yes, this book, this book I already listened on Audible, but I like this book so much that I wanted to keep a copy with me, and even on the same side I'm just collecting like a copy of this whole The Secret series. So I have Secret, already read it, and the book The Greatest Secret is here. So I was talking about The Greatest Secret and the series of the book I have in The Secret. So somehow my camera stopped recording and I already unboxed everything. So this is something I'm facing, this issue with my camera, that it stopped recording, and I'm the single one who is doing this unboxing. So I don't know when the camera stopped recording. If you have any suggestion for this, do share it with me. I'll just show you what I purchased, like what was inside in other box. So the next book is The White Tiger, which is a replacement book. I place a replacement order because in the first attempt I got a defective book, so this one I replaced. Next is Let's Talk Money, again a replacement order. I already unboxed these books in my previous video, part 1 or part 2, so you can check it out there, and the prices also, it's a good steal deal discount. Next book is How to Talk to Anyone. MRP of this book is 299, and I'll mention the book cost somewhere in the video because I lost the slip after unboxing. I just destroy all the packets, so that's the reason why I don't have the invoice of this particular book. I'll update the price at which I purchased in the video itself. It's a 92 little trick for big success. Okay, I'm looking forward to read this one. Next is Mint Your Money. It's a steal deal and a replacement order from my previous book unboxing. I purchased this book in 92 rupees. Yes. Next is Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. Again exchange or replacement book because the book I received was defective. MRP is 350 and I purchased it for 175. Yes, I remember the price. Next is the Psychology of Money, and the MRP of this book is 399 and I purchased it for 199. Book is okay from inside, but it's a bit dirty from the outside, like the cover itself is quite dirty, so I'll exchange it. Hopefully the book has I just hope this book has the replacement date, because I'm quite late in unboxing these books. Next is The War That Made Raw, and the MRP of this book is 499 and I think I purchased it somewhere around 150 or 160. I'll mention the price in the video itself. So these are the books which I already unboxed, so I'm not able to share with you the unboxing of these books, but yes, I mentioned the price in the video. And most of the book from this particular batch was a exchange book. So yes, this particular order, this is something which I was not planning to buy. It's not a book related item I was not planning to buy, but this particular item was in my wish list since a very long time, like since 2 years, but I was not getting time to purchase it, or maybe I was procrastinating it. So in this sale itself, someone sent me a message or a link on WhatsApp that the product is on a good discount and you can purchase it. So I thought, why not to purchase it. And thank you to that particular person who sent me a link and reminded me. So I thought, let's purchase it. Don't procrastinate it further. So that's the reason why I purchased this particular product. I'll show you. And thanks to that particular person. Okay, this is a Potli bag. Yes, a Potli bag. I wanted to have a Potli bag since a very long time, but I thought like online it was quite expensive and I was not sure about the quality, so that's the reason why I was not purchasing it online. I wanted to go offline, but didn't get the chance to shop it offline. So that's the reason when I saw this sale and the price was quite affordable and okay, so I thought, why not to purchase it. And see, the quality is quite amazing and I like the quality. I like the quality and the product itself. Yeah, yes, so yes, it's quite good. So can I keep it like this? Yeah, I'll see how to carry it. These are the two shades which I purchased. MRP of this particular single Potli bag is 999. Yes, 999. Don't worry, but I purchased it in 259 for both the bags. So I think it's somewhere around 125 rupees or 130 rupees. It's quite affordable. And good to buy, a good purchase actually, I would say. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching the unboxing video. If you have not watched the part 1 and part 2, do check it out, because there I purchased few books in 52 rupees, 43 rupees, 42 rupees, and it was a good book. Like, it was a steal deal which I was keeping eye since a very long time, almost for 6 to 7 months. So, and if you like my video, do comment below and share this video with your friends and the person who wanted to buy some books or wanted to check out the books. Yep, thank you so much.